Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today guys, this is the second Discord bot video. I will be teaching you how to add an 8-ball thing to your Discord bot. And with this code, you can edit it yourself and make it into something even bigger and even better by combining with what we have learned before. So what we're going to do first is at client.command and brackets, and we're going to be learning about aliases. I believe that's what the name is. And yep, I was correct. Equals, and then square brackets. And basically, you know how when you type, I'll just put it down here, cat, last time when we typed that, a cat appeared, yeah? But if we typed this, nothing would appear. This makes it so there's multiple things. So it could be dash cat, could be cat, could be kitty, like all kinds of stuff. So what we will do is add 8-ball, comma space, and maybe magic ball, and comma space, maybe ball of wisdom. Now all of those will be a main command, okay? So all of those can be used. But what we do next is async def, and you can't have anything starting with numbers. So I think, how do we make it called 8-ball then? And that's simple. You add an underscore in front, which appears as nothing, but in actual fact, it is making it so we can do that. So ctx, comma space, star, comma space, and that is question. So ctx meaning the question, so comma 8-ball, then this star meaning the space in between it pretty much, and then this question is what the rest of the thing they write is. So now we can go here. Oh, I just need a colon, enter. We can go here and we can say responses equals that. Now I'm going to have this in the description, and what it is all the different choices. Okay? Now we've got that, we can say await ctx dot send, and then we put, I believe, oh, my brain is not working today. Yep, so we go like this, F, and then we have speech marks, question, colon, and then space mark, and then these squiggly brackets, if it has an F around it, means these squiggly brackets are actually a variable. So we can put responses in here. And then, oh no, this is question, because the question is their question. Square brackets, squiggly brackets. And then /n means enter. So it moves the space down, like, let's say this would. You see my cursor's now there. So let's just go back, go here, and /n. And now we can write answer. I often spell that wrong, but I don't know. And that is it. Now we do squiggly brackets again, random dot choice, and then brackets responses, end bracket, end squiggly. Now when we do this, so I'll just stop my other bot from running. If we run this, and we go to here, 8ball. Hi, my name. Hi, comma, is my name Jeff? Question mark. Reply is hazy, so possibly, but possibly not. Try again. Okay, let's try it with our other thing. So it said we can try magic ball. Let's go here. Magic ball. Hi, my name Jeff? Question mark. No. So my name is not Jeff. So it's partially correct, I guess. And then let's try ball of wisdom. Ball of wisdom. Hi, my name Jeff. Yes. Jeff. And the reply is no. So it's pretty much all correct all the time. So yeah, that works. So you can do all kinds of things with that. So let's try something else. Now we will make a help command. Now, if you've tried coding this on your own, you've probably already tried making your own help command and it didn't work. And that's because you need to do at the very top up here, just here, client dot remove underscore command, and what was it again? My brain is not functioning. And then help. So because originally it sets help for you, but you want to set it yourself, so that will remove it. Now I'll blur that out later. We can go at client dot command and brackets, enter, async def, name of client, help, brackets, ctx, and brackets, yep, colon, enter, await ctx dot send, and I believe I did do that correctly, didn't I? Yeah, we put in here, so this command is, okay, so now we can put cat, and that makes a random cat photo. And then we can go /n again. And so this one and 8ball slash magic ball and ball with this. And then after that you go question this. Oh, you need your little, this is a command that is like 8ball, also known as ball of wisdom. Now if we go and remove its old instance, start a new one, give it a second, and of course I did something wrong. What is the error? I put 3 M's, didn't I? I'm a complete and utter dunce. Okay. Now it should work. Yep. Help. Not help. I can pronounce my H's. Yep. So you see, it lists the commands. So you can add all your commands there. Now, if we go back to here, and what was the other thing I added? I could do that. This is more complex stuff. Actually, guys, I think we've made a fairly long enough video. This is a simple tutorial, but yeah. Next episode we'll be adding it's called money. I just named it that, but it's not a currency system, it's a level system, and it's a bit more complex. Like all that is a level system. Oh, I'm gonna have to blur that as well. All that is a level system. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. See you all next time. Bye!